Hello, it's Will Whitaker, mortgage partner and friend, and I'm here to give you your June 2022 partner growth tips. And I'm doing so from Lagoon here in Farmington, Utah. Most of you know Lagoon, and I am not a ride person, unfortunately. So I'm doing a lot of sitting today, and so I thought I would take some time to give you the growth tips from a better location than where I might normally be sitting. Okay, the first growth tip I have for you is to subscribe to my weekly interest rates digest. It's an email that I have implemented recently, and you'll get this if you subscribe to it, or just let me know that you want to receive it. And it's just a quick summary, 2 to 3 sentences of what happened in the market, in the mortgage market this week, to help educate you and inform you so that if your clients ask you, you can give them some talking points as well as some average interest rates. And hopefully that's helpful to you, helpful to your clients, to let you know what's realistic still in this market, despite that rates have jumped quite a bit in recent weeks. There are still excellent opportunities, and we work with wholesalers who are still pricing out, a good 0.5% better than most of our retail friends. The second growth tip for you is to leverage your network for support. Okay, what do I mean by that? Well, deals can be difficult right now, specifically with buyers who are getting cold feet with rising interest rates. I had a situation recently where a realtor partner of mine has been following up constantly with a client, and they just did not see a solution. Well, in May, we had a little bit of a reprieve in rates. There was about a week or two when they came down. And so I gave it a shot. I talked to this client and let them know that on the wholesale side, we had a VA loan option at near 4%. I know that's almost unheard of, but we ended up locking it at 4% note rate, APR of like 4.25. So really, really, really low. And through talking with the husband and the spouse, there was a move-in ready property ready to go, and they jumped on it, put it under contract. We closed it last week. It was beautiful. So leverage your network for help. Maybe it's as simple as they need another opinion. They need someone else to say the same thing you've already been saying. But let's work together to get creative. If you're struggling, open your mouth, talk to a partner, talk to someone who can help, and you never know how many deals we might be able to save together. The third growth tip, which kind of goes along with that story I just told, is there are builders who are having fallout from buyers. So people who were pre-qualified right on the margin 4 or 5 months ago, or even at the tail end of last year when rates were below 3%, some of those people, they're resigning their contracts. They're like, you know what, it's not worth it. So you have these builders who have this inventory, this move-in ready inventory that's all of a sudden maybe going to hit the market. So keep in contact with these people. Make sure you have friends at these builders. If you don't, make them, because they can put you on the short list of, hey, I've got a deal for $450,000 in Lehigh. It's ready to go. It's brand new. Great. I've got a client over here, pre-approved for $475. They want move-in ready. They want 3 beds, 2.5 bath. Let's do this, okay? I'm seeing that, and if you can keep that network flowing, if you can make friends with builders, then those opportunities will present themselves, and maybe some of these clients who have been waiting for the right property will now be able to find them more quickly than they have up to this point in this market. So there's your partner growth tips for June 2022. I hope you're having a wonderful summer so far. I'm going to go enjoy Laguna Beach, and hopefully it's not too cold, and enjoy the summer with your family, with your friends, and I look forward to speaking with you soon.